In this video, you'll learn how to set up Agentforce 360 for beginners. This guide will walk you through each step to ensure you can effectively navigate the platform and utilize its features for your needs. Start by opening your web browser and navigating to the Salesforce homepage. You can do this by entering the appropriate URL into the address bar. Once the page loads, you should see a clean interface with various options available. Next, locate and click on the Home tab at the top of the page. This action will redirect you to the main dashboard of your Salesforce account. Ensure that you see your recent activity and any notifications that may require your attention. After this, find the option labeled Create Your First Contact on the dashboard. Clicking this will open a new interface where you can enter the details of a new contact. Take your time to fill in the required fields accurately, as this information is crucial for your future interactions. Once you have filled in the contact details, look for the New Contact button, usually positioned towards the bottom of the form. Clicking this will save the new contact. You should see a confirmation message indicating that the contact has been successfully created. Next, you will need to click on the Close button to exit the contact creation window. This will return you to the previous screen where you can manage your contacts. Confirm that the new contact appears in your list before proceeding. Now click on the Home tab again to return to the main dashboard. This will help you navigate to the next step of setting up your leads. Ensure that you're back on the home screen before continuing. Then find the option labeled Create Your First Lead and click on it. This action will open a form where you can enter information about a potential lead, fill in the necessary details to ensure you capture all relevant information. After entering the lead information, you will want to return to the home screen once more. Click on the Home tab to navigate back to the dashboard where you can continue your setup process. Next, locate and click on Create Your First Deal. This will prompt another form to open, allowing you to enter information regarding a new deal. Be thorough in your input to ensure all essential details are included. Finally, click on Add an Opportunity to finalize your deal setup. After you have entered the necessary deals, look for the Close button and click it to save your opportunity. A confirmation message should appear, indicating that the opportunity has been successfully added. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.